I'm waking up. Told you wasn't with you waking up. Now you feel set up there in this heat touch. I needed to. Everywhere you go. Hey y'all, it's me, Jimmy back again with another video. If y'all new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on so you're always notified every time your girl upload a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Y'all, I don't know why, but my intro just takes me out of breath. But today is Sunday, August the 7th. It is currently 12:37, and I am on my way to Target because, as y'all can see by the title, we are going hygiene shopping, okay? Because it's time. It's a new month. It's time to re-up on some new products or whatever. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. And y'all, how about a freaking rock Friday? Was it Friday? Yes, Friday on my way to work and take the boys to school, a freaking rock hit my window, y'all, like my windshield. When I tell you I was pissed because that's the first time that has ever happened. And it was from a freaking dump truck. And we were both trying to get on the highway or whatever. And I'm like, you know what? So I called my mom and she was like, did you get that license plate numbers? Girl, I ain't know I was supposed to do all of that. I ain't know I was supposed to do all of that. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna show y'all, but it's not, nobody got hurt or whatever the case is. So yeah, but I'm about to listen to some music, so I'll see y'all once we get to Target. Okay y'all, so I forgot I had to get gas because I had like 16 miles or whatever. But y'all, I cannot stand having to go inside to pump my freaking gas. Because hold on. Okay y'all, so what I was saying is I cannot stand having to go inside sometimes because I like paying at the pump. I'm an at the pump type of girl, okay? Because for one, I don't even like pumping gas because you gotta stop, you gotta get out, you gotta do a whole lot of, and look at me, I'm already out of breath. Hold on, let me put y'all up. That's not, I'm gonna pick y'all up, hold on y'all. That's not for me, okay? Like, it's just a whole lot of. So no more playing G8, my niggas, what would you say? Ain't no more playing G8. We ready. Oh, okay y'all, so Target is a little packed, and I was about to say, what is that? They are a little packed, and y'all already know how I feel about vlogging in public. So, I can take this mess down. So, this is going to be very, very... Oh, I definitely could have parked right there. I thought that truck was parking there. And I parked way, way out here. Because with Target, you would spend 30 minutes trying to find a freaking park. But y'all already know how these go with me vlogging in public when it's a lot of people. So I'm doing good so far, guys. I'm doing good so far. Let's just see if I can walk in there, like still like recording or whatever the case is, because my anxiety. Okay, we made it to the door. Well, let me put my mask on because y'all know it's still a bunch of stuff going around out here, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I need to find, oh, okay, I need that, but the first thing I need to find is like some stuff for my lips, because the side of my lips are cracking and I don't know why. So I need to find something. I need to find something for them. But I definitely need some more of these. Oh, it says it's unscented. So I think I'm gonna get this one. It's the baby unscented, but this is the one I have right now. But I want to try. I'm gonna try this one. So let's get that one. And I don't know. Oh, they have lip balm too. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so maybe I try one of these. Since I like their soaps. So maybe I can get one of these. The peppermint, I think that peppermint gonna tear my lips up. So let's get this one. Yeah, let's try this one, but y'all know we don't get the first one. We always get the second one. So yeah, let's try this and see if this helps. Okay, so these two things right here are one of the ones that I've been seeing on like TikTok that I want to try, but I'm not sure. Have you guys tried this? It's a body butter. I think I'm gonna get it. Y'all, this little thing is $2. Is Target crazy? And this is $2. Are y'all crazy? Okay, so next thing I need to get is my boyfriend some more body wash for him. This is the body wash that I want to try. This St. Ives body wash. I'm gonna try this. I don't know how good it is, but it's $4. So we'll get it. Y'all, we can try this. I'm not a big fan of the scent of it because it's oatmeal and shea butter, but it ain't giving what it's supposed to give. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. So should we get it or should we just do that? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try like stuff like this or down there wash. But I keep hearing a lot of people say, you don't need that though. So I'm scared to get it and it tear me up. I think I like it because of the bottle. And then like this. Y'all, what did we just do in Target? Do y'all want to know how much I spent in Target? Like, who goes in stores? Y'all flying. Y'all go ahead. But who goes in stores and spend that much? I'm going home. I'm going home, and I'll show y'all what I get when I get home. Y'all, what I just spent in Target, I'm not coming to Target for nothing else. Okay, so first thing we got was these 8-pack of white washcloths, and if you know, you know why you should always have white washcloths. So first thing I'm gonna start with is this feminine hygiene foam wash. I've never tried this before. The only one I've ever tried was honey pot, and I stopped using that because everybody went into a raw about that or whatever the case is. So I stopped using it. And honestly, I stopped using it not just because people were talking about it, but because I didn't really see the point of it or whatever. But I don't know. We're just gonna try this out and see. It looked cute, so. And I looked up some reviews on TikTok, and I Googled on TikTok, and it was pretty decent reviews or whatever. But if I don't like it, I can always stop using it or whatever. Next thing I got was the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soaps. I got 4 of them. I didn't want to get the real big pack, which I probably should have, but it's okay. But this should be in everybody's bathroom, okay? Everybody should be using this, okay? Down to babies, okay? So next we're gonna move on to oral care. And this is the only Dove bar soap that I really, really like, that I can just use everywhere on my body without it having like a reaction or whatever the case is. So I would definitely recommend this if you have sensitive skin. Next is, y'all saw this on camera, that I got the Dr. Bronner's Naked Organic Lip Balm or whatever. So I don't know, but my lips are like chapping up on the side, and I don't like that. I don't know if it's because I'm not drinking enough water or because it's like super hot outside or whatever the case is, but I'm gonna try this and hopefully it worked, because this shit was $4, okay? Next, we got the TheraBreath or whatever. Y'all know I got the clear mint one, and that one is already gone. So I wanted to try the pink one, and this scent, the blue one, the one I have is clear mint, and this one is sparkle mint. So I'm pretty sure they do the same exact things. So we're gonna try this one now. And then I had to get some more toothpaste, and y'all know I go for Crest 3D White, period. And then moving on to like exfoliating and stuff. I've never tried St. Ives. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it, but this is a exfoliating body wash. And for some of y'all who don't know, you can exfoliate your body and then like wash it with like soap, body wash and stuff like that. So this right here you use first to kind of sort of like clear off. Well, not, yeah, you use this first, the exfoliating, to like clear off like all the dead skin and all that or whatever the case is. And I've never done that up until now, and I'm 28. And you know who taught me? Which was the internet. Because I don't think growing up exfoliating was big like that. And now that I get like Brazilian waxes and stuff, I'm learning now of why you should exfoliate your body or whatever the case is. So this is an exfoliating body wash, and this was the last one, I want to say. So I figured it was 2 other scents, and this one was the last one. So I figured that this one was the better one because it was the only one left. So this is the St. Ives Exfoliating Body Wash. It's in the scent Sea Salt and Pacific Kelp. Don't get on me how I say that, but I don't think it really has it has a smell, but it's not like a smell kind of like, oh, it smells good. Not that it stink, but it doesn't have like a scent to it. It's like a natural scent or whatever. And if y'all hear any noise in the background, that's because my son room right there, and he doing something, I don't know. So next thing I got for like body care was the Tropical Glow Tree Hut Exfoliate, Firming Sugar Scrub, and I got the Firming Whipped shea body butter or whatever. So I got, it smells good, y'all. I seen this in Ulta because I went to Ulta the other day, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Ulta as well. But this is the body scrub. It smells good. So I got these two. And then I got the Method Men in the scent See and Serve for my boyfriend. And I got the Method for me. Of course, y'all know it's not a body or a skincare routine if y'all don't see this in the video. Like, I was running low. So, y'all, it's the coconut, rice milk, and shea butter. This right here is life, okay? These two are my life, okay? Like, these two are my life when it comes to body care. And then I got the Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented Soap. I'm using the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint. I think it's the Peppermint. Yeah, Peppermint. And I wanted to try this one right here. They do have a lavender one, but unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to try that because I am allergic to lavender scents. So, yeah. And then the last thing, well, not the last thing because I'm going to get the stuff I got from Ulta. But the last thing I got from Target is the OGI. And it was the Radiant Argan Oil of Morocco. Don't eat me up in the comments, y'all. But I wanted to try this because it smelled good. It has argan oil or whatever the case is. So, yeah. I wanted to try this just to add something new. So, yeah, let me go get the stuff from Ulta and I'll be right back. So, this Tree Hut sugar scrub I'm using now is the Shea sugar scrub. So, this is the one I'm currently using from Tree Hut right now. I'm gonna put that on there because it's kind of wet. And this is what I got from Ulta the other day, which is the Tree Hut Coconut Lime. And it's the Shave Prep Sugar Scrub. And then this right here, same scent, coconut lime, the moisturizing shaving oil. And they had this in Target. I don't think they had this sugar scrub in Target. I don't think so, but I did see this in Target. But yeah, so this is pretty much you. For this, you will put this on before you shave. You will exfoliate before you shave, and then you'll put this on to actually shave. So with this, you don't need like shaving cream or anything like that. So you can just shave with this on there. And of course, I'm going to do a video for y'all to show y'all how it, works or whatever the case is, and my review on it or whatever. So yeah, that's what I got from Ulta. And that's all I got from Target for my hygiene haul for this month, y'all. So if any products in here that you guys want to try, it's not just only at Target. They have them Walmart, wherever you shop at for your products or whatever. So y'all, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with anyone, everyone. Let them know what your girls don't over here in Driven's Corner, because y'all know over here in Driven's Corner, we do what? Okay. Y'all with it. Y'all with it. We get active. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Said I needed to touch. I needed to.